Hello Year 2, welcome to our last lesson of dinosaur writing. You've been doing some super writing this week. Your writing about the baryonyx yesterday was fantastic, so thank you for posting those on your class portfolio. Really super writing. Today it's all about the T-Rex, the big giant boss of the dinosaurs. So we're going to practice our words and our actions. And then using your information map, we're going to finish off our writing with our final paragraph about the T-Rex today. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen with you so that you can see the pictures of the information map about the Tyrannosaurus Rex. And you can help me by saying the words and doing the actions too. Are we all ready? A T-Rex was a giant dinosaur. It used its huge nose for smelling other dinosaurs. It had strong jaws to crush other dinosaurs. It liked to eat meat and didn't eat plants. It was a carnivore. A Tyrannosaurus Rex was 12 meters long from nose to tail. A baby Tyrannosaurus Rex was fluffy when it hatched from its egg. Well done, everyone. If we stop sharing, I'm going to stand up in a space now and do the words and big actions. So can you stand up in a space too? And we'll all do the actions together. Are we ready? Say the words as well. Then they're in our head, ready for our writing. A T-Rex was a giant dinosaur. It used its huge nose for smelling other animals. It had strong jaws to crush other dinosaurs. It liked to eat meat, but didn't eat plants. It was a carnivore. A Tyrannosaurus Rex was 12 meters long from nose to tail. A baby Tyrannosaurus Rex was fluffy when it hatched from its egg. Super. I think we're ready for our Tyrannosaurus Rex writing. Let's get the camera a little bit closer to our board. So we're going to do our writing this morning. So make sure that you have your information map that you drew at the start of the week about the Tyrannosaurus Rex. Remember, you've got some useful words on there, hopefully. You also need something to write with, a pencil, and something to write on. A book, some lined or plain paper. Make sure you've got all of that ready. Pause the video if you need to go and get things. And we're ready to start. Okay, so we start with a capital letter A. And then I'll give you this bit, it's a long, tricky word. A Tyrannosaurus Rex. Can you do the next two words for me? So you write a Tyrannosaurus Rex was a. Pause the video until you've got that bit done. A Tyrannosaurus Rex was a giant dinosaur. Some of you are doing some really beautiful handwriting. If you can Do cursive letters, that's great. Have a good try at making your writing the neatest it can be. Doesn't all have to be joined up today. Make sure you've got to that bit. A Tyrannosaurus Rex was a giant dinosaur. Full stop. New sentence now. You're going to start our sentence off for me. It used its. Used is a tricky word. It sounds like it starts with a Y. It doesn't start with a Y. What letter does it start with, year 2? Well done. It starts with an making a U sound. So have a go at writing it used its. Pause the video while you do that bit. Huge is our next word. Huge nose. For. If you can finish this sentence off for me. So write, it used its huge nose for, and then you're going to do the last 3 words of this sentence on your own. Smelling other animals. So pause the video and give yourself some time to write that sentence. I'll say it one more time. It used its huge nose for smelling other animals. Write that bit on your own, put your full stop, and then you'll be ready to start the video again. Well done, everyone. I think because it's our last piece of writing about the dinosaurs today, I would quite like you to do quite a lot on your own with help where you need it. So the next bit, you're going to start on your own. It had strong jaws. It had strong jaws. For jaws, I'm going to give you a little purple clue. It does start with a J. Then you need to pick the right or sound. Have a go at writing that bit of our sentence. It had strong jaws. Well done. I'll put in the rest of jaws now and we'll see. Did you choose the right or sound? It was the AW saying or, jaws. Have a go at the next bit on your own. I had strong jaws. To crush. To crush. Crush is one that you can all use your phonics to sound out. To crush. Write that bit. Well done. Other dinosaurs. There we are. Those are the words to finish that sentence and then a full stop. Make sure that you are pausing the video to do your bit of the writing so that I don't race ahead of you. Okay, the next part of our writing is it liked to eat meat. I think that you can do all of that yourself. It liked to eat meat. So on your own, on your paper, it liked to eat meat. Have a go at writing that bit of our sentence. Well done, everyone. Then we go to but didn't. Look at how didn't is spelled. It has an apostrophe between the N and the T. The letter is missing, and O of not is missing. But didn't eat plants. Okay. Finish off that bit of the sentence on your paper. But didn't eat plants. You can look at it to help you. You can do lots on your own. If you're feeling really clever and want to challenge yourself, don't look at my board. Write it on your paper. Get a bit more of the board in. We've got a bit more writing to do yet. We're nearly there though. So the next sentence, it was a carnivore or herbivore? Carnivore, that's right. Carnivore. Write that sentence. It was a carnivore. Now we're going to talk about its size. A Tyrannosaurus Rex was 12 meters long from nose to tail. So on our board we will write it was 12 meters. Pause while you get that bit written on your paper. It was 12 meters. Well done. Now finish that off. Long from nose to tail. It was 12 meters long from nose to tail. Pause the video while you do that bit. And now we have just one sentence left to write, and then we'll have completed the whole of our dinosaur writing. So, adjust the camera again, using all of the board today. I need to come down here so that I can write on my board. And we're going to, I forgot my full stop there. I bet you remembered yours, didn't you? Make sure you put your full stop in. A baby was, what's the next word? That's right, fluffy. Can you write that? A baby was fluffy. Well done. When it, I'm going to get you to write this next word on your own. Hatched. Hatched. Quite a long word. Ed. Ed. Hatched. Can you write hatched? Pause the video while you have a go. And I think you should write the last bit all by yourself. From its egg. Full stop. From its egg. You can all write that. So there's our writing, and hopefully you've written along with me today and you have all of those paragraphs about the dinosaurs written now. Well done, everyone. Next week, we're going to look at a pet animal. You'll be able to choose your own pet animal, and we're going to make our own information maps about different things about an animal that we keep as a pet. And we might write about where it lives, what it looks like, what it eats, what sound and movement it makes, what it can do. So be having a think over the weekend. What pet would you like to write about next week? Well done for all your hard work this week, and I'll see you soon.